exercise class 12 exercise 9.2 question number 4. It is given that 3 plus log x by x dx integrations. So now we use the substitution method of these exercise. So now we put 3 plus log x is equal to t. Now derivative with respect to x both sides. Derivative of 3 is 0 log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now this form is dx by x is equal to change into dt, and this became 3 plus log x. We put this value is t, then under square root a t. Now this became the root t dt, integration of this. Now integrate of this t की power 1 by 2 or dt. If we integrate t की power 1 by 2, 1 add to denominators and 1 add to numerators. So this becomes t की power 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now this becomes t की power 3 by 2, and this is also becomes 3 by 2, then reciprocal is 2 by 3 plus c. Now we put the value of t. Here the value of t is 3 plus log x. So 2 upon 3, 3 plus log x की whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is your first part. In second part also say that 1 by x into log x का whole square. We put the value of, we know that log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So then we put log x whole square. It means log x is equal to t. So derivative of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Then this becomes 1 by x change dx with dt, and log x whole square means t square. Now we take these value to numerator, t की power minus 2 dt. Now we add minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, t की power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. c as a constant. Now we solve minus 1 by minus t की power minus 1, then becomes 1 upon t with negative sign plus c. Now put the value of t. Here the value of t is log x. We put minus 1 by log x plus c. This is your question number 2. हर एक पार्ट के अंदर each part of these exercise we put the given function to take that the derivative of given function, we put those function which derivative is given. Log x square by x. यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि log x का डेरिवेटिव हमारे पास x है, तो then we put log x square is equal to t. Log x square, derivative of log x square 1 by x square. X square का डेरिवेटिव 2x. dx is equal to dt. X cancel to x, we get 2 upon x dx is equal to dt. Now we find the value of 1 upon x or dx. हमें 1 by x और dx की वैल्यू चाहिए. तो we remove the 2 into right hand side. Here 2 is multiply with dx, then this remove to divide. So 1 by x dx is equal to dt upon 2. This becomes, this value is t by 2. 1 by 2 take a common out, and integration of t is t square by 2 plus c. Now this becomes 1 by 4 t square. It means the value of t is log x square whole square plus c. In fourth part, say that secant square x log x dx x. In this part also put the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Then we put it log x is equal to t. Now derivative of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So then this becomes secant square log x. We put this value is t. So then this becomes t, and this value change into dt. Then this becomes secant square t. Integration of secant square t is tan t. So we put this value is tan t plus c. Tan t की value log x plus c. So then this is the integration of given function. In fifth part of these questions, it is given that 1 by x into cos square 1 plus log x dx. In this part also we show that 1 plus log x equal to t. अगर ट्रिगोमेट्री में पीछे बताया ट्रिगोमेट्री फंक्शंस के अंदर वैल्यू दी हुई हो तो हम एंगल को पुट करते हैं. तो एंगल को पुट किया हमने 1 प्लस log x. 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now this becomes 1 by x and dx change to dt. Then dt, and this became 1 upon cos square, and this value goes to t. So then cos square t. 1 by cos square t dt. 1 by cosecant square, cos square ऊपर लेके तो secant square t और dt. Now integrate of this term is tan t plus c. Tan into value of t is 1 plus log x plus c. This is your question number 4. Now in question number 5, each part of question number 5 also using the substitution method, put up method हम यूज करेंगे और ये आइडेंटिटी दी हुई है tan इनवर्स x होल स्क्वायर बाय में 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर। मैंने यहाँ tan इनवर्स x को t पुट किया, put the value of tan inverse x is equal to t. Now derivative of this term is tan inverse, derivative of tan inverse is 1 by में 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. So now this term goes to dx by 1 plus x square goes to dt. So now this becomes to dt and this tan inverse, we put the value of tan inverse is equal to t. So then this becomes t square dt. So now integrate of these terms. We also integrate of these two terms many times. T square, integration of t square is equal to t3 upon these questions. T3 by में 3 plus c. Now put the value of t. T is tan inverse x whole cube by 3 plus c. This is your first part. In second part, it is also this. So that sin x by में 3 plus 2 cos x dx. So now we put these function. We know that cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So now we put these function 3 plus 2 cos x is equal to t. Because हमें यहाँ डोमिनेटर के अंदर जो फ्रैक्शन दी उसको पुट करना है, डोमिनेटर के अंदर पुट करेंगे तो डोमिनेटर के अंदर ये टर्म चली जाएगी तो उसके अंदर क्या चेंज हो जाएगा कि हमारे पास dt जो टर्म है वो डोमिनेटर के साथ आ जाएगी, यानी कि नीचे चला जाता है dt. In this form of dt we did not integrate these term. So then we put the denominator of each questions. 3 plus 2 cos x is equal to t. Derivative of 3 is 0. 2 as it is. Cos x derivative is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now we transpose this term to right hand side. So then this becomes sin x dx is equal to dt by minus 2. So we take minus 1 by 2 common out and this becomes sin dx is equal to dt and this becomes root t under the square root. Now we integrate of these terms. We have solved these type of many times like this t square root t. So then we take the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 integrate plus c. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This 1 minus 1 by 2 is common out and this is the reciprocal of these term 2 by 1. 2 cancel into 2 we get minus into 3 plus 2 cos x की whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Yeah, we write is 3 plus 2 cos x under the square root plus c like this. Now in third part, it is also said that x square tan inverse x cube by में 1 plus x की 6 dx. It is clear that if we put these function is equal to t, so then derivative of this term is this and this including into dt. So now we put tan inverse x cube is equal to t. Now derivative of tan inverse is 1 by x square. Here the value of x is x cube. So now this becomes x is 6. Now derivative of these angle also. Derivative of x cube is 3x square dx is equal to dt. So now these functions became 3 take to right hand side, then this became x square by में 1 plus x की 6 dx is equal to dt upon 3. So now x square by में 1 plus x की 6 dx change to dt upon 3 and this becomes t. Now integration of these terms 1 by 3 take common out, integration of t is t square by 2 plus c. So now 1 by 6 3 multiply 2 is 6 t square, it means tan inverse x cube का whole square plus c. Fourth part of this same as part third, do yourself. Fifth part say that integration of 2x sin inverse x square by में 1 minus x की 4 under the square root. So now we show that these we put these term to t. We know that in derivative of sin inverse is, sin inverse का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square under the square root d by dx of this term. So now put sin inverse x square. So derivative of sin inverse x square is 1 by 1 minus x t 4 x square का square x t 4 और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस टर्म इज x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव करते हैं तो 2x dx इज इक्वल टू dt. तो हमारे पास जो फंक्शंस के अंदर है 2x 1 minus x की 4 और dx change into dt and this becomes t. Now integrate of this function like this as question number third part. In part 6 it is given that 10 की power 4 root x secant square root x by root x dx integrations. We know that in derivative of tan is secant square x. Then we put tan root x is equal to t. हमने tan root x को t पुट किया यहाँ. तो derivative of tan secant square root x. Now in derivative of this function it means root x का derivative करेंगे तो 1 by 2 root of x dx is equal to dt. तो now we solve this function. Secant square root x by x dx is equal to 2 को हमने राइट हैंड साइड ट्रांसपोज कर दिया 2 dt. तो नाउ secant square root x dx is equal to change into 2 dt. 2 taken common out, then this becomes t की power 4. We put this value is t dt. Now integrate of these term. t की 4 का इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं तो अपर लिमिट में भी 1 ऐड करेंगे, नीचे भी 4 plus 1 5 तो 2 t की पावर 5 by 5 plus c. Now we multiply या taking common out 5 तो we get 2 by 5 and t की पावर 5. We put the value of t. t is tan root x. तो then 2 by 5 tan root 5 x की whole power 5 या 2 by 5 tan की पावर 5 root x plus c like this. In 7th part of this exercise, questions secant inverse x into x square minus 1 dx. So now we put the value of, this is the derivative of secant inverse. So put secant inverse x is equal to t. Derivative of secant inverse is 1 by x into x square minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So now this functions becomes dx by this equal to dt and secant t dt. तो now integrate this function do yourself. बहुत से पार्ट आज के जैसे लाइक दिस, ये भी टी स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रेशन किया था, इसी प्रकार इसका इंटीग्रेशन करिए. 8th part same as part 3rd do your